Alpha 1 has crossed the line of departure. Status green on comms.
2 minutes to time on target. Tell them to stay surgical. This is a snatch and grab, not a turf war.
Sierra 2, approaching the objective. Stand by for breach. Over. Copy that. Moving up.
Breach in 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Clear left. Target room secured.
Move! You stop, you die here, understood?
Charlie 02, command. Package secured. Heading to exfil. We got company rolling in hard.
I'm in! Go! Move! Get us out of here now!
They moved faster than we projected.
Alpha 1, this is command. Pull out now. Reactive force inbound. Repeat, pull out now.
Sierra Bravo 6, this is Echo Alpha. Scorpion is secure. We are 30 clicks out of Mosul and RTB. Maintain speed.
Go, go, go! Move, move, move!
It's done. The package is secure.
Excellent. Alpha 1 exceeded expectations. Where is he headed now?
This is him, Scorpion. He's all yours, but he's been difficult.
I'll handle it. Secure the perimeter.